Hi everyone, my name is Zinhle. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to style this dress for all the final year students who are going into corporate next year. So the first thing you'll obviously need is a dress. For this first look, I just put on a black polo neck underneath just to make it look a little bit more professional and work savvy. Cool. For the second look, we have a skirt. How I achieve this is by folding in the dress into some leggings I'm wearing underneath. And then I just put a longer length jersey on top. To spice up the look, just put on that same belt from the dress. And then you have a whole other look. Kinda cute, I know. Okay. For the final look, yes, you guys guessed it, it's a top. And how I achieve this is by simply tucking in the dress into some plain blue denim jeans and finishing off the look with this white blazer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys got some inspiration. I'll leave it to you to decide which one is your favorite. Bye!